And the race is on. Center come from the outside, Small Star. Lovely Tara, then comes Lady Tycoon. Robin Good down on the inside. Bombardier alongside Dayang Dayang. Getting personal, moving up from the outside. Terrible Heart, third last Seniority. And Venasov is running at the tail of the field. Santorcan by a length and a half, followed by Robin Good. Lady Tycoon from the outside. Lovely Tara. And running impede by the Small Star, getting personal. Bombardier rounding the far turn. Santorcan by a half a length, followed by Robin Good. And Lady Tycoon is rushing third, moving up. Bombardier. Small Star getting personal as they race the final corner. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. Third can Robin Good, Small Star, and Bombardier in the middle. And during the last 100 meters more to run, Third can is still the leader. Getting personal, moving up in between runners, but still Third can. And finally, Third can getting personal, Seniority, Lady Tycoon, and Bombardier for your Fantafecta.